Welcome to Tier 2. So you've done quite a lot so far, right? You know exactly how to speak to AI. You understand master prompts. You can prompt properly. And then you became quite the master in graphical user interfaces. What you've learned in Tier 1 in regards, for instance, to user interfaces takes years to practice, to understand, building brands, and you could do it in 3 weeks. Yes, it's thanks to AI. If you just look at branding, for instance, this is weeks of work to work out a brand. Before AI, now it's hours. All right. I had a couple of complaints like, oh, it's 27 questions. It's 27 questions you can do under an hour with your customer, and that's it. And the brand gets built. So you're going to spend only 1 hour, if that long, right? Especially if it's a customer that already knows his brand, understand his brand voice and so forth. Then it's probably just half an hour. Then the graphical user interface, I mean, what you do is so professional, and then the prompting. Now, all these things that you've done up to now, we're going to expand on in Tier 2. For instance, we're going to even change our prompting to use a JSON format to prompt with. It's a key value pair, and you'll understand later what I mean by that. So you get even more sufficient in your prompting. Then we're going to take this HTML and change it into JavaScript and TypeScript, and this is without you losing anything of what you've built so far. So we're going to tell AI to take your HTML pages and change it into a full Node.js React stack using TypeScript. All right, and it will still look identical to how it looked before you made these enhancements. And then, of course, the databases and all the other libraries we're going to work with. So we build on what you've done so far. If you did not hand in your assignments yet for Tier 1, please do. What we're going to do with these things, we have a section on GitHub, and we're going to use these things to create a public repository for you to showcase all the stuff you can do, and it becomes part of your resume and showcase. Yeah, it's time to show off what you can do, right? So that's all I want to say now for Tier 2. Mostly welcome. What you've done up to now was astonishing if you look in the time you've done it. And in Tier 2, you're going to have many, many more wow moments. So let's get going. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.